So I'm trying to replace the oven light in my Boretti oven. This left light is functioning. The right one wasn't. I've already removed the cover for the right one, which took me some effort. It wasn't very easy to do. So now I'm replacing the left one as well, because he's equally old, so he might fail in the near future. So the strategy I used with the other oven light was turn it counterclockwise, because it's a screw cap. The glass cap is a screw cap. So turn it counterclockwise and wiggle a bit at the same time, because that appears to be working. Just to try and loosen it a bit. It's really, it pays off to get some gloves, preferably like these, which have a kind of a rubber outside surface, which gives you a lot of grip. And there it is. So replacing the bulb now, I choose a straightforward affair. The new one is slightly smaller and has a lower wattage, but it's still okay. So I've replaced the bulb and now screwing on the glass cover. Which is not really. Yeah. So similar to the screwing out procedure, the screwing in procedure is kind of, it's a bit awkward. You have to wiggle a bit and kind of feel when it's well seated. Appears to be correctly seated now, so I'm testing it. Well, that seems to be working. Okay, so now we can put back the cover. So here's the warm air heating element, hot air heating element. It was shielded by a cover that I removed in the beginning. Now we're putting back the cover. There's also a bottom screw to this cover. Make sure before you tighten the screws on the top, these two, to align the hole to the two holes for the bottom screw. So that's it. All done.